Hola, this is Simone, and today I'm gonna show you guys how you can do a foam stamp made from recycle boxes. You can get it any place, and the foam come from a dollar store, so we can make all these beautiful ones. I already cut this and paint so you guys can see it, but I'm gonna cut one. And this is the one I made yesterday. I paint with my granddaughter Lily. Hi Lily! I know Lily loved my work. And she also a painter. She's only 4 years old, but she loved to paint. So I did this with Lily yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You can buy the foam at the dollar store. This is the one that's already cut. This one is not cut yet. So I'm gonna cut one so you guys can see it. And I use this knife cutter, and I bought in a dollar store also. And you guys can use any kind of design. I designed this yesterday. So you just go around. They have a adhesive inside, in the back. So you just put it in the box, and then it's ready to paint. You guys can do it if your family, if you have a granddaughter like me, you can do it with your granddaughter, your kids. Do it with your mom. You can do it in a t-shirt. You can use ink for fabric, or you can do it in paper like me, and I use in my artwork. It looks amazing, beautiful. So I'm cutting here for you guys to see. It's very easy, but be careful with the knife. It's very sharp, and sometimes I cut my hand. So this one is gonna be I cut a little less, but it's okay. It's fine. I just draw this so you guys can see how you do it. You don't need to draw it, but I draw it because it's black. The foam is black, and otherwise I'm not gonna see it. So once you cut it, you need a box, this is from Amazon. So you pick it up, the one you cut it. I hope I cut everything. And see, they have a glue in the back. So what you do is, I'm gonna take this one out because I want the flower to be open. So you put in a box like this. And I'm not going to use this part. I'm going to use this one. And press it. And let's do it another one that I cut it. Oh, this one I cut with the paper. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear in the back is my little birds, my canaries. They makes me very happy when I'm working and doing my artwork. So you guys can put it like this. And you can do anything you like. I'm just doing the leaves because I like this one, and you can make all kind of different designs. Since you already have in a box, what do? You just cut around it, so you don't have a lot of box to work on. Very easy to do, and it's very inexpensive. So here's one that I cut it, and for you to do the paint, what you do is you buy this little brush. You can use with kids, or you can use yourself too. And this is all the acrylic paint that I use. And let's do one. I have all this color. You can buy the whole set. So let's do one, and this one, the blue. I'm gonna show you one. You put a little bit paint here, and what you do is you use the brush, pick it up the paint, and with stencil you just made you put the paint like this, You can use 2 colors, and very easy, and you can do all this kind of beautiful design. I'm just showing this one that was fast because nobody want to stay long time in a video. So, and okay, this one I already did yesterday, but you can put it here. And I have this thing to do like gel print. I can use this to press it, but you can use your hands too. And voila! I don't think you guys can see that much over here because it's pink in the top of the color. Let's see, I can put one here so you can see better. Do it again. Let's do the small, another design that I did yesterday so you guys can see it. So I just want to say thank you for everyone who watched my video, my friends, Lorena who cut my hair, my daughter, my friends, and everybody who subscribed to my channel. It means a lot to me, and especially my granddaughter Lily, that she loves to paint. I think she's gonna be a painter like me. And okay, let's press it again, and voila! I hope you guys like it, and you can do any color and any different shape. This is like green. You can use green color here. This is a small one, and this is just the one I made it. And this is another one. I like big flowers. You can use it in t-shirt. Well, thank you so much, and see you next time.